Guys, dito na kami. King's Palace. Hi guys, tapos na ang atis guys, ate. Maglibot-libot doon sa ang laki ng King's Palace.
Happy Brother's Day. Hello.
China na. Siblings Day.
What's Siblings Day?
Guys,
Oh, Siblings Day.
Saturday and lalabas kami. Yay! Kasama si Sundar.
Oh wow, I don't like to. What is this?
With Gemma?
Yeah.
What did we buy?
Bracelet.
Oh yeah. That's why you wanna go.
No, I want stickers.
Stickers?
Yeah.
You go to New Road to buy stickers?
Yeah. And boba tea.
Yeah, I think so. They said it's nice.
Can you
See
serve?
every...
Want to go? Maybe not here, but like.
What is this then?
Oh, it's a playground.
This is the King's Palace. We're here now. The Ramar. KFC tayo guys. KFC. KFC.
That's not the White House. Oh, jockey.
Guys, dito na kami. Ayan, KFC. May Pizza Hut din. Kaso yung Pizza Hut, pareho lang din yan sa pizza na niluluto natin sa bahay. Kaya mag-KFC na lang tayo. Ayan na. Let's go. At ang King Palace ay nandoon. Kaso ayaw naman ni Sanel. Ayaw doon sa dulo. Gusto kong magpunta ng King's Palace. Kaso ayaw ni... Gusto ni Sanel mag Fun Park or New Road. We'll see. Made the hard way made by hand. Which one? Indian vibes?
Yes.
Why?
I don't know.
Yeah, Nepal and India are the same. Or is the same. Yan ang painting nila guys. Hi guys, punta tayo ng King's Palace. And then magpapa-New Road kami ng mga bata. Nag-CR pa si Sundar. Outfit today. Punta tayo ng King's Palace guys. Hindi pwedeng mag-video sa loob. So, sa labas tayo mag-video. Hindi ko mapapakita yung loob. Sa labas lang. Let's go.
Sundar said he was stuck.
Really?
No, he just forgot that he would just push.
So, dito guys ay para siyang mini Makati. Ayan. High-end ito na ano. Part ng Kathmandu, malinis, maganda ang kalsada, maraming tourist. Ayun.
Galsada.
Ha?
What is Galsada?
Kalsada means road.
No, it's kind of bad. Bully.
Tingnan nyo ang kaulapan. So nice in the video.
Sure?
Boba Boomer. Maybe it's nice. I don't know. Nice or not nice. The same.
Is it nice in New Road?
No idea.
Let's pray it's nice.
Yeah, we'll see. I'll try. We don't know. We will not know unless we try.
We won't know unless
We won't
try.
know. Yes, we won't know. Mga branded guys.
One day we will come here when we need to go Philippines. It's a suitcase.
You need to think about ticket first and then you can think about suitcase.
Yes.
Even if old suitcase, I'll go. So nice, guys. The trees.
Aesthetic.
King's Lounge there.
I think these trees
Door
turn
bar,
into purple trees.
lounge, and club, huh?
I think these trees. Oh, can we buy?
Buy one, get one free. That's so nice.
Can we buy?
I'm sure
Can I buy?
the buy one, get one free is not Door bar Mall. You want to go inside?
Yeah. Let's explore. Durba, but not buy anything.
But I don't know this
Durba.
mall here. Maybe we will.
This looks so huge.
Yeah, it's huge.
It's like it's huge.
I don't think there's anything there. Only expensive things. So dito na tayo guys sa King's Palace.
Let's go.
Let's go Tabuk.
Where's New Road? Where's New Road?
It's Tabuk.
Where's
We need to... Dear, unahan pa kye.
Oh my god, these guys are scary.
Ah. Yura at Barsa. Hi guys, tapos na ang aming adventure. Ang ganda guys sa loob. Kaya lang hindi allowed ang mobile. So, ngayon lang kami nakalabas dito. Ayan. Ayan siya guys, ang palace. So, sa loob niyan ay museum na. Ayan guys. Ayan.
Can you give me?
Ang ganda.
You just look at collapsing and you see a playground and you see work in progress.
Work in progress.
Maybe it will come in the future. It will come in squirrels.
Squirrel. Daming squirrel at bats guys. Sa loob.
We didn't
Ganda.
get to video them though.
Oo.
Sundar, come out.
Sulit, mura lang siya guys. Kaso nakakapagod, ang lawak niya. Sobra. Napagod na kami. Inantok na ako. Si Sunda, reklamo na siya. 200 lang sa adult at 50 sa bata. Walang bayad ang 9 below. Yun. Saan? Where's the exit?
There. Nice.
Na tayo.
No, I don't. But how please? Did you put that?
So, punta kami ng New Road saglit. Gusto ni Sanel magsuroy-suroy sa New Road, guys. Pagod na sila, guys. Kapagod, kakalakad. Ang lawak, sobra. Ang ganda, guys. Maganda siya. Hindi siya kasing bongga ng ibang mga palasyo, pero ano siya, kasi historic siya, guys, eh. Nakita din namin yung saan sila minasakar. Yun. Doon, parang nakakaiyak. Mamaya, kwentuhan ko kayo ulit. Ayan o. Ayan yung Dorbar Mall. Dorbar Mall. Ayan. So, nagantay kami ng taxi. Mag-taxi kami.
I am just a minor.
Gala pa more. Si Sanel ay ubos na ang kanyang taro, boba tea, at ako ay nag-avocado shake, guys. Si Sundar ay cookies and cream. Hala. Ang sarap ng avocado. Sarap. Before
And
Before
now we changed it.
and
now
after.
it looks so damn cool.
After.
I literally love Spider-Man.
Bili kami ng corn dog, guys. Naubos na yung pera namin sa phone cases nila at sa kanilang bagong screen protector. Nakakaloka. Pero kasi sira na ang kanilang screen at ang kanilang phone cases. Kaya ayun, binilhan natin. Kigarni, what to do? What to do? Dito pa rin kami sa New Road.
Sa New Road.
Ayan. So, bibili lang kami ng stickers tapos uwi na rin kami, guys. Big bite, babu.
Big bite.
Cheese, pull. Cheese, pull. Sarap siya, guys. Mura lang. Maliit lang yung ano. Yung store. Tambas, Momo, and Burger. Give me.
Where are we going back home?
No.
Oh,
Hanap tayo ng stationery, tapos uwi na tayo.
I guess. Oh.
I don't know. Blue there. Agadi. There. Atis guys, atis. Meron silang avocado. Mahal. Yo, suntala ka ti? Panse? Mahal ang kanilang avocado at orange. 500. Itong atis ay 200 lang ang kilo. Guys, nakauwi na kami. Kain tayo ng chowmin. Suot ko na yung bigay ni Malu at ni Marilyn. Malu at Lynn from HK. Oh, napagod kami doon guys sa paglibot-libot doon sa ang laki ng King's Palace. Maganda siya. Yung sa mga movie nakikita ko mga rooms ng mga royalties. Hindi siya ganun kabongga pero may similarities, may resemblance guys ba. Ang daming room. Tapos dining room, mga bedroom nila. May helicopter, may eroplano, may mga sasakyan na mga vintage. Meron dong sasakyan na bigay ni Queen Elizabeth II ba yun? Oo, dun. And then, maganda siya guys. Tapos, ang ganda ang linis, well-maintained yung mga lawns. Nakakita kami ng maraming paniki. Yung punong-puno ng paniki ang mga puno. Tapos, may helicopter, may eroplano doon. Nakaka-amaze, sabi nga ni Sanel, it's worth it. Kasi mura lang naman, 'di ba? Tapos si Sundar din na siya na curious. Nakita namin kung saan minasakar yung royal family. So, andun pa yung marka ng bullet talaga. So, doon na part medyo medyo weird na yung feeling namin ng mga bata. Kasi si Sundar tanong din siya. So, ayun guys, after namin King's Palace, guys, nag-New Road kami kasi gusto ni Sanel bumili ng stickers. Wala kaming nabili na stickers. Ang nabili namin, casing ng mga bata at screen protector ng mga mobile nila. Mahal. Pero magandang klase talaga siya. Kasi nga, yung mobile, yung casing nila at saka yung screen protector ay talagang biyak-biyak na. O, sira-sira na at matagal na talagang dapat pinalitan yan. So, ngayon napalitan na natin. And then, nag-boba tea. Ako nag-avocado smoothie. Ang sarap ng avocado. Tsaka nag-corn dog. Tapos, umuwi na kami, guys. Sulit. Sobrang sulit na makasama ang mga batang ito sa labas. Kaso talagang dapat handa ang bulsa. Kasi, magastos talaga siya, guys. Kahit ganong simpleng labas lang, magastos talaga kasi taxi, tapos yung pagkain, pambayad ng entrance. Hindi man siya ganun kalaki, pero syempre, 'di ba? Para sa akin, malaki na rin 'yun. Butas na ang bulsa. Ayun. So, but worth it, hindi mababayaran ang time namin ng mga bata na nakapag-bonding kami. So, ayun lang guys. Thank you all so much sa inyong walang sawang suporta. Sana okay lang kayong lahat. Maraming salamat from the bottom of my heart. So, maraming salamat. And ayun lang. Thank you all so much. Good night. See you all on my next vlog. God bless everyone. Bye guys. Amping mong tanan.